Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne and today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY bowling kit for your next birthday gift. Let's get started. This is such a simple and fun birthday gift to give, especially to the younger kids. You can do it from age 1 all the way up to age 5. Although my 7.5-year-old loved this as well. So really, anybody with a kid at heart. So what you're gonna do is take a creamer bottle. Obviously we all have these because we drink coffee. You're gonna tear the label off and clean it out with hot water and soap. You can glue the lid on if you want it to not come off, to make it more secure for the child. And then you can just put stickers on it. You can use a permanent marker. These stickers I got from the Dollar Tree and they stayed on really nicely. I was able to use the lines from my creamer to make sure that the numbers were straight. And then I picked up a small ball from the Dollar Tree. You can also, on the other side, you can write the child's name. That's why I only have 4 creamer bottles here. The child that I'm making this for's name is Lena, and so this will enable her to learn her name as well as numbers. You could do the alphabet, you could do words, anything that you wanted. This is a great learning through play gift, because you can have the child bowl for that letter. Let's hit the letter L. What does the letter L say? The letter L says L. This is teaching them sound recognition, letter identification, and it's hand-eye coordination. So you're getting the trifecta of a learning through play here. You could also, as they get older, if you have numbers on the back, whatever they bowl over, let's say they bowl and they hit down a 3 and a 4. You can ask them to add those 2 numbers together. This is a great way to teach addition or subtraction. You're only limited by your creativity when it comes to basic skills you can teach through this game. Another bottle that you could turn into a bowling pin is the sparkling ice bottles. They're also from the Dollar Tree. They're a unique tall shape. Once you're done with them, clean them out, take the wrapper off, and you have yourself an easy way to make a bowling pin. You could add permanent marker, stickers again, whatever you wanted to the front and or back of them. Obviously you could do Pepsi bottles, Coke bottles. It just depends on what works best for your child. If you have skinny ones like this, they're going to fit better in some sort of bag to keep it together. These bowling pins, they fit really well in this plastic container. If you ever buy sheets, this is a great thing to keep. I always keep these because they're wonderful for traveling whenever you pack your stuff. They're wonderful if you're an RVer to keep your stuff in and organized in the RV. But also, they're the perfect size to fit these bowling pins. So let me show you what it looks like all packed up. Here it is, all packed up, very nice and neat. Moms really appreciate whenever you send a gift to their child if it has a container already, so that it keeps it nice and tidy in their home. A lot of these sheet bags, or whatever they're called, the containers that hold sheet sets, will have a little pocket that's right here that had the tag in it that told what the sheets were. You can go to the Dollar Tree and grab yourself some foam pieces. They have all different shapes. In the teacher section, they have cute little cards with like squirrels on it and hot air balloons, all different kinds. You could just write the child's name and say that's their bowling set, and it fits right down in that plastic piece, and then they can have their name. So it's just a really cute way to decorate the gift on a budget. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this DIY gift idea and learning through play activity. Until next time, wishing you and your child lots of simplicity, progress, and joy. Wyatt, are you ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go.